Hi guys, welcome back to 31 Days of Capture One. In today's episode, I'll take you through how to, go through your images and then do your selections, what's called image culling. So we'll take care of going through your images to select using the star system or using color tags to make your selection. If you haven't subscribed yet, just go ahead, hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell so you don't get to miss any of my future uploads. Now let's go straight to business. So we'll go through the process of selecting our best images. Now I'm going to do just a rough something, and be advised these are raw images, no processing has been done to them. We'll do that in the subsequent videos. So if you look on your left here, we have ratings and then we have color tags over here. Now these are soft ways of doing your selection. When I say soft, as in you don't need to delete images. You can just use this to isolate your images softly in the software. Hope that makes sense. So this is our first image. Let's say, we don't like it. Okay, so these about the first 5 images I used to just get my light right. So from this side, I think, yes, we started getting real images. So let's say here, do we like these? No. Let's continue going through. No, I'm just using the up and down arrows on my keyboard for this. No. Okay, so let's say yes, I like this one. So I prefer, some like using the color tag for their selection, others to use the rating. I prefer using the ratings. Why, I don't know, but I just prefer using the ratings, with 1 being the lowest and then 5 being the highest. So images that I'm going to retouch, like my selection, I use the 5 stars for those. So I just press 5 on my keyboard, and as you can see, there is 1. It's been increased by 1 over here. And then if you look under the image, you see that there are 5 stars over there. If you press 4, it will be 4 stars. 3 is 3 stars up to 1. 0 means take out the rating. I hope you understand. So we've 5-starred this. We'll continue going through the images. Let's say yes, we like this, so 5. We like this, 5. This is cool, 5. We like this, so 5. 5. I think I like this, so 5. This is not okay. Between these two, I'll pick this, so 5. And these ones, okay, so let's just deal with that one. So if you come back to the rating, you see that there are 8 images under 5 stars. So if you click over here, it isolates them for us. So now we have, you see, 1 of 8. So we still have the other image. We've not deleted them, but they are not under our starred images. So we go through these 5-starred images, which are 8, and we can furthermore narrow them down. So let's say, okay, I want to keep only the 5-star images here. Now I did a rough selection. So here I want to go through and then narrow it down. So I don't want, I realize, okay, this, I don't want it to be part of my 5 stars. So even because I selected it in the first place, so I'll keep it at 4 stars. So it doesn't join those that I did not select, meaning I might go back to the 4 stars to see if maybe I want to bring something back. So by pressing 4, it takes it out of the selection and then puts it under 4 stars. So if you look here, there is 1 under the 4 stars. So we go through quickly and then change. Okay, so this I realize I don't like this anymore, so I press 4, and once I press it, it reduces it. So you can see 1 of 6, it was 8. Now I've taken 2 out, so it's 6. If you go to the rating and then look, the 2 I've taken out have joined the 4 stars because I pressed 4 on that. So let's go till we have, let's say, 3 images. So this it looks too like she's scared. Her arms, the way her wrist is, I don't like it, so I take it off. This I don't like it anymore, so I just take it off to 4. Now we have 4 images here. Well, we've done our best and we can't narrow it down anymore, so we have 4 images there. Now just be advised that this is just a rough selection I've made just to let you understand the rating system. So if you go to 4 stars, we see only those 4 images from the ones we took out of the 5 stars. Let's say if we go through here and we realize, oh, this I didn't like it at first, but I want it to be part of the 5 stars again, just press 5. It takes it off here. So now you see instead of 4 we have 3 left under the 4 stars. If you go to the 5 stars again, we have 5 images there. So you can go over and over until you're okay with the selection you have. So somebody will ask, where are the other images that we did not select? If you look here under none, we have 75 images. So if you click on that, see all these images were the ones we did not select. So you see, this is a non-destructive way of selecting images. Now if we don't want to see only specific image, we want all the images back, just click on this and then you see once the yellow thing is not there. Is it yellow or orange? It's orange. Once the orange thing is not there, it means all images will show. So here we have our 83 images. If we go to none, that means those that don't have any ratings is 75. If we go to only 5 stars, we see 5. If we go to 4 stars, we see 3. We don't want to see only the starred image. We want all the images. Just click on that orange thing again and it shows you everything. So in a nutshell, this is how to go through your images. And if you want to delete a particular image from this place, it's easy, just same thing. So let's say this image we don't want, you just press on delete on your keyboard and it's gone. So from 83 we have 82. See, it's gone. And then one thing also, once you delete it from here, it doesn't go off from your hard drive. So you need to come to File, Empty Catalog Trash, Delete from Disk. And then now you realize that the image you deleted will be deleted from your hard drive as well. So basically, this is how you go through, selecting your images and all that. Now you can do comparisons. If you hold down Shift and with one image selected, if you hold down Shift and click on the other one, you see them side by side. So you'll be able to do a good comparison, see if and then a slight change in angle or something. Then you'll be able to go through, do your comparison. You can add more and more. And then at the same time, you can subtract. If you press Ctrl and then click, you're subtracting. If you press Ctrl and then add more, the same thing. See? So once you hold Ctrl and then click again, you're subtracting. Now let's say if you want to compare this particular image with this one, so we can make our selection. Just this, and then we have them side by side. Once you're done, you can press outside here and it deselects everything. You go back and then get your selection done. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.